Hello students, in the previous video you have done a short recap of addition and subtraction of decimals. Now in this video you will understand it more clearly. Let's learn about addition and subtraction of decimals. What is addition of decimals? Decimals are fractional numbers. The decimal 0.3 is same as the fraction 3 by 10. The number 0 by 0.78 is a decimal that represents 78 by 100. Next is adding decimals is just like adding other numbers. Always line up the decimal points when adding decimals. Next point is remember to put the decimal points in the proper place in your answer. Same in as addition, subtraction of decimals. Always line up the decimal points when subtracting decimals. Remember to put the decimal point in the proper place in your answer. To add decimal numbers. Step 1. Align the decimal points. Step 2. Include the indivisible zeros. Step 3. Add each column of digits from right to left. Step 4. Place the decimal point in the answer directly below. Let's see the example. 0.64 plus 0.39. Here I am lining up the decimal point. 0.64 is just below 0.39. So when we add these columns, we get 1.03. Let's see one more example. 12.6 plus 4 plus 0.24 plus 100. Now, in this example, we will keep the decimal points in line. Line up whole numbers carefully. Fill up spaces with zeros. So when 12.60 is added with 4.00, 0.24, 100.00, we get the answer 116.84. Now, let's move to the subtraction of decimal numbers. Step 1. Align the decimal points. Step 2. Include the invisible zeros. Step 3. Subtract each column of digits from right to left. Step 4. Place the decimal point in the answer directly below. Let's see the example. 27.583. When subtracted with 0.2, we will get the answer 27.383. Now let's see one more example of addition and subtraction. When we add 892.01 with 17.99, we get the answer as 910.00. And when we subtract 40.87 with 9.777, we get the answer 31.093. Let's see the word problems related to addition and subtraction. Nikwan was in the mood for some sweets. He ordered a royal banana split for himself. Then his friend Monette showed up, so Nikwan bought her a triple sundae. How much did Nikwan pay at the old-fashioned ice cream shop? So the cost of royal banana split was 3 rupees and the triple sundae was 3.20. So when they add royal banana split 3.00 with triple sundae 3.20, the total money they have given is 6.20. Let's move to the next example. Tiresi's Karate Club won the state championship. To celebrate, they went out for ice cream. His team ordered a big scoop sundae with banana slices and 3 strawberry super sodas. How much did they spend in all? So big scoop sundae cost rupees 3.05, banana slices 0.10 and 3 super sodas with 2.60 and 3 multiplied by 3, that is 7.80. So Big scoop sundae 3.05 is added with banana slices 0.10 and 3 super sodas that is 7.80. The total money they have given is 10.95. One more example. Leslie is drawing one first prize in a contest. So her family celebrated by having ice cream. Leslie's family ordered three special sundaes and paid with a $10 bill. How much change did they receive back? So three special sundaes cost rupees 2.45 multiplied by 3, that is 7.35. And the hand cashier, that is the bill is of $10. So three super sodas is 7.35. So the amount they have returned is 2.65. Let's see one more example. Mrs. Lord decided to buy ice cream for Mr. B's entire class, that is 25 people in all. She bought each person a royal banana split. How much change did she have left after paying with $100 bill? So 25 royal banana splits cost rupees 3.00 multiplied by 25, that is 75. So the hand cashier has $100 and 25 royal banana splits cost $75. The change they have given is $25. Let's recall all the points. Adding and subtracting decimals. When you add decimals, line the decimals up on one on top of the other. Secondly, you have to add the tens to the tens, the hundreds to the hundreds, and so on. Just as when you add whole numbers, you add ones to the ones and tens to the tens. Let's recall the steps for adding and subtracting the decimals. First step is write down the numbers vertically and line up decimal points. Second, put in zeros as placeholders if needed. Third point is start from the right and add and then subtract. The fourth point, do not forget to place the decimal point in the sum or difference. Thank you and have a nice day.